That's really pretty. I know I got a shot of this earlier, but I wanted to get a shot of it with the sun, with the light, daylight. Because it is so rare that we get snow here, so I do want to get it on my video so I can look back at it. It sure is beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. Very dry. Very dry snow. Look how pretty that is. Sure is beautiful. Surprised there's not trees coming down. There's the creek, guys. See how high it is? It's not coming over the bank yet, but it's kind of up there. It is 35 degrees. Boy, that's pretty. Very beautiful. The field is flooded a little bit too. I'm going to show you guys that. This field floods when we get a lot of rain. So it's not real bad though, but I've seen the whole road covered. I've shared videos about that. Looks like some of the construction guys are up here. That's interesting. They've got a dang truck blocking my dang road. Look at this. I had to drive around it. Snow came in. Look at that. This is a really interesting day. So, for the first time ever, I was going to close my slide, but my slide has snow on it. And then, as I was attempting to climb the ladder to sweep the snow off the slide so I could close it, it was too slick and I wasn't going to get up there, so shoot, definitely going to be late getting to work. It's beautiful, but it's an aggravation, it really is. So the creek is flooded. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's hard to do this and keep my phone plugged up because it's on very low. Very low battery. Sorry. I'm trying to concentrate, to be honest. So I'm going to go down the interstate to blow the rest of the snow off my windshield. I know I should have gotten my scraper out. I guess I've been spoiled this season because we've had temperatures in the 70s. I'm sure you guys don't really care for these rambling videos. I wonder what the river looks like. Well, it's high, that's for sure. Ice on the bridge. Well, sludge. I'm not sure if that's ice or sludge. So, we've got that refrigerator effect going on, you know, where it's colder, the air is colder than the ground. It's certainly beautiful. Well, my job got canceled for today because their electricity was off, which I can believe that in their location. So I found out that Miss Joanne, hang on just a second. There we go. I found out that Miss Joanne has the COVID. She got tested yesterday, and bless her heart, she lives by herself and everything, and apparently she's got a housekeeper, and the housekeeper has it too. So after my job was canceled, I stopped by Sandra's, and Sandra had made soup beans with ham in it, which is a southern thing. So she made up a plate for Miss Joanne, and I had made chili, which I showed you guys, and I am taking that to Miss Joanne. Now, I'm just going to leave it on her porch, ring the doorbell. I'm not going to be exposing myself to COVID. So, what I'm going to do with the rest of the day, I do not know. I should clean this truck, but cleaning the truck when there's snow and everything out is just not smart. So, scratch that. I guess I'll just watch videos or whatever. I'm actually going to grab my computer and get it out, because a lot of the stuff, not a lot, all the stuff I do on my channel, I do on my phone, and I think I'm going to go over and check on the computer. Anyway, y'all don't need to know that. Do you see that back there in the back of my truck? That is a ladder, and it was at the dump, and I asked permission and they said I could have it, so I now have a ladder. My ladder was stolen 5 years ago from my property, along with my mowing equipment and everything like that, in case you don't know. So God gave me a ladder. Isn't that awesome? Yay! Well, that's disappointing. I thought I was recording that entire time, but I wasn't. Those mountain views that I was trying to show you guys, I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't have the record button on. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, I have to be careful out through here anyway, but I was trying to show you the snow amounts. There's not a lot out through here. It's not too bad. But the mountain views would have been much better to show you.